big round of applause to our hosts and course to their handlers in our DIY segment.
Of course, the level of creativity and dedication from our candidates and their talented handlers continues to amaze us. Each outfit is a testament to their passion and hard work. So let's give them a big round of applause.
First Creative Studio, Aqua Suite, Star Plus, Mogul, at syempre After World. Now, let's hear it from our judges as we move towards the side. Ayan. Correct me if I'm wrong this time around, not only do we also, of course, give award to the hunks, but we also will be giving award to the handler as well of the hunks chosen up. So, pag natawag yung inyong, of course, yung hunk handlers, we'd like to invite you on stage as well. Para naman makasama kayo sa photo op natin, diba?
This is also to, give credit sa inyong effort.
Oo, hindi madali yan Hindi talaga madali yan. You make it on the spot.
Correct.
Alright, so let's hear it from our first judge, Sir Carlo.
Okay, for me, not only kung paano nila dineliver or dinala yung mga DIY, but more so sa kung paano yung idea, yung pagiging creative nila at the same time yung styling na ginawa. For me, it's Mabini Malate.
Mabini Malate! I'm going to be saying this Charles' Brian Rojas. Sorry, brother, I just remembered Charles' Ron. There you go. I would like to call in your handlers. Brother, sino yung handler mo? Baka pwede mo tawagin. Sir John.
Sir John.
Sir John, come on! Sir John! Sir John. You know what, if I'm not mistaken, he's also a winner last year of DIY segment. So this time around, he has the running siya ngayon, di ba? He is the defending champion. Kidding aside, congratulations, Sir John, of course, Sir Charles.
For me, the reason I chose this is someone who's comfortable and confident while flaunting his DIY outfit. Kasi pag DIY, usually you should go with cape and ruffle, but this one, simple lang siya, Mr. Felix Pantakan.
Mr. Felix Pantakan, alright! Felix, pwede mo matawagin yung handler mo?
Ako na lang!
Ay, may iba na gusto magpatawag ka lang daw. Who would you like to may natay pa. May pinawag. Alright, siguro kapag natin yung handler mo. All I can say is, wow! That outfit,
Fairness, it matches the shoes also.
at saka nakapagpatahi pa ha. Ay, hindi ba kasama yan? Ay, yung top yung
Congratulations!
I'm sorry, sir. Congratulations. Ayan, congratulations to you. Palapakan mo natin sila. Take a picture. Thank you so much to our handlers. In fairness, yung unsound. Maganda, no? Maganda yung pagkakagawa.
Saka parang gusto ko arborin yung
Actually,
maganda siya.
Actually, ang ganda nun. Very social couture yung dating. Fairness.
Sir Jonathan, you ready to share your choice? Your top pick?
I choose Mr. Carriedo Quiapo.
Carriedo Quiapo, congratulations to you.
The reason why? Maybe the reason why.
Well,
Here is
And also, we would like to call on
the handler of
please.
Alright, brother. Maybe request you to call your new handler.
Pwede kapitbahay mo.
Erika! Si Erika naman pala. Ayan, ang cute ng mga paballoons pa sa likod. Oh. Very up, di ba? Oh! Dilipad. Congratulations, Mami Erika. You know what's interesting this time around? Parang wala pa kang hump na nanalo twice sa isang segment. Ay, yes, yung sabihin.
Gusto kong ma-acknowledge yung mga kasama ko.
Oh, sure.
Jay, Actually, kasama ko sila ni Edward.
Oh, alright. Siguro, we like to come up on stage kung nasaan dun sila. Si Jay? Sila Jay. Si sila.
How are you guys?
Jay, come on, guys.
Kumbaga si Mami Erica ayaw niyong suluhin ng credit.
Yes, absolutely right.
So go ahead. Are you gonna join us?
Come on, I think they're joining. Congratulations to our finals. But before that, as I was mentioning, parang wala pa ata hawk na ng double award, no? Meron na ba? Wala pa, no? In fairness, so ganun katindi yung competition natin. Ganun katindi yung competition natin na yung this time around.
Now
Year
it's getting interesting.
It is truly getting interesting. Before kasi, if you can remember it, pagdating sa third and actually second, third pa lang, parang may nag-double agad, di ba? This time around, wala pa nag-double. So kudos to all the hosts. Ganun katindi yung competition natin, guys. So slim margins lang talaga yan. Maybe you have to do a little bit extra. I don't know what it is. And congratulations, of course, to the handlers of Mr. Cariano.
There you go.
Yeah, alright.
Congratulations, Mami Erica.
Alright, guys. Maraming salamat to all our honks. Thank you so much. You guys are very creative and congratulations. Still, we have 2 more segments, guys. Laban lang. Keep your energy up. You may proceed backstage and prepare.
Yeah, prepare quick. It's very hard to stretch.